Good morning, you guys. Yo, my day is about to be ruined. My day is about to be ruined right now. So I'm on my way going to Walmart, and it's raining. It's raining, you guys, and I was ready to make my money today, and I cannot work in the rain. And guess what? I have an order. I have a $20 order with 3 drop-off and 6 miles. So tell me, how am I gonna deliver that when it's raining? It just started to rain right now. And I just checked, it's gonna rain the whole entire day today. So this rain is going to ruin my life for today, because I needed this money. I have goals. I needed this money. So I hope it doesn't go as they said, that's gonna rain for the whole entire day. Please. I need to make my money today. Since yesterday we didn't work. Yesterday was when the system was down, y'all. So I didn't work. So I was so ready for today. But the devil is a liar, y'all. It's not gonna let me make my money in peace. Okay. There is people today. Few people, 3 cars. Oh, I can't go there. I need a rain jacket at least, because she's wearing one. Maybe I need one. We stay here, we stay here, we stay going. This one is not gonna stop us. I mean, it's not too raining, but we can still work unless it's rain heavy. So $17, 4 miles. We're only shopping for 13 items. So why not? Why not? $23. It's going 5 miles, 0.7. It's a shopping order, and we're only shopping 16 items, yeah. 16 items. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Let's go. So this car is the same thing as my car here. So I was trying to push, open it. I said, why is not opening? So I didn't see this one here. I was like, why is not opening? What's wrong? So I just realized that, oh, it's next to my car. I thought it was my car, yeah. Okay. Let's go deliver. So it's still raining, but it's not pouring, but we can manage it. We can work. I wish it can stay like this, like just run slow. Do not run hard so I can make this money. Oh, let me get this. Okay, it's time to go delivery. I remember, you guys, like few months ago, it was raining. It rained hard, and I went home. So around 2, it stopped working. You guys, that day it was super busy. When it stopped working, it was busy. I made the most money that I never made it. And it was only shopping orders. Shopping orders was coming back to back. I remember that day I made $285. That's the most money that I ever make in one day. $285. $285, y'all. Only $15 to $300. Ooh, I remember that day, man. So today it's going to be busy because this rain. Every day when it's raining and it's dark, it be shopping orders. So let's see how this day is going to be today. And it's super cold too outside. Like, it's cold. Oh, this is our third order, y'all. Third order. $12 and it's going 3 miles, and it was only 3 items. I already finished shopping for it, so now we're going to check out. Just received another order, you guys, but before this one I had another one I didn't show you guys. It was $16. It was shopping order, $16, and I had to shop for, I don't remember, and it was going for, I think, 6 miles. Yeah. So now I just got another one. It's not a shopping order. I'm just going in Walmart because I'm super hungry. I'm going to get something to eat, and so this order is $20, and it's 6 miles. It's only 3 drops, and the pickup time is what time is it right now? Let me go check. So the pickup time is 12:55, and right now it's 12:43. Time is flying. I did not know what time it is. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to the time, y'all, at all. So let me go get something to eat fast, and so I can go back out before they bring my order. I'm back. Oh, this is what I got, y'all. And this drink. This drink has been my favorite drink so far. So sweet. So for the past 1 month, you guys, I'm gaining weight like crazy. I'm gaining weight. So I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. I don't know like what's going on, but all I know, I'm gaining weight, and I don't know what to do about it for now, because I don't know what I changed that I wasn't doing before. Because I have been, for past like few months, I have been stuck to certain weight. Like, I don't pass it, and if I pass it, it's only like 1 pound, and boom, I go back down again. But for the past 1 month, I'm like, where are you going? Where are you going? I need help, y'all. So I'm about to start watching what I eat. I'm about to start exercising maybe because I do not want to. No, I need to go boom. Need to go down, y'all. So I think I need to start watching what I'm eating because Anyway, let me eat my lunch before they come. They bring my order, so I won't be rushing. You guys, this is my favorite Walmart salad, y'all. I love this salad. They are so good and so cheap. For real, this looks too good. I'm just trying to mix it. It froze, y'all. Look at this tomatoes. It froze. I don't know how I'm going to eat this, but it's like you can tell that it's froze. Some of the things here, it's gonna be too cold. Yeah, I'm about to let it sit for maybe 1 hour because it feels like I'm eating ice. Like it's too cold. It froze. There is some ice in there. So I'm about to let it sit and for maybe an hour or something because my teeth, it's not gonna take it. So you guys, I'm going to stop right here. It's 1:47 right now and my day is over. Not because of the rain. It's because of my husband needs to use a car. So we only have one car for now. Our other car doesn't work, so he needs to take his dad to the he has an appointment, so they're going to use this car. So my day is over and I don't even know how much I made, y'all. It's 1:48, but let me go like add it up right quick because I don't know how much I made. I don't even know how much I made. So let me go add it up real quick and come tell you guys how much we did in this 6 hours. Yeah, 7 hours, 6 hours. All right, let me go add it up. So we made $109.85, y'all. Woo! That's a lot. I'm grateful. 109, y'all. 109, 109, 109, 109. So yeah, you guys, and it's 1:50 right now, and I don't know if I'm coming back. I'm not coming back, by the way. Yes, I'm not coming back. Let me go take a rest, and because I have no idea what time they're gonna be back, and it's still raining as usual, so I really don't care like that. So anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.